strength be the law of justice. Let our strength be the law of justice. That's why they send their sons and daughters to law school. Brothers, sisters, listen good. There have been several situations that IUIC has gotten involved in, even here in Atlanta. And we hired lawyers. When they found out we were Israel United in Christ, guess what they did to us? They dropped us. We can't represent you. They all stick together. So when we saw that they dropped, yay, we wasn't shocked. This is how the ungodly get down.
You know, you want to go to war? You got to call the warriors.
Reading about how black people are the real Israelites and all this amazing history.
You understand? You don't got to war by yourself, man. You know, that's what I'm trying to show, brother. You got thousands of brothers that think just like you. You got thousands of brothers that think just like you. When it come to the Bible, we all have one mind. We are the Jews. We gonna keep these commandments. We gonna come back to our culture. We gonna come out of them songs and singing murdering each other and the hoes and all of that stuff. We separating from all of that.